Okay, I'm going to use Chatbox for the first time for free. Um, Never used it before, so I want to go with image generation. I think that's going to be easiest one. So it says describe your image. You can also go over to your library here, and I see they got other ones that people are creating. Okay, so I'm going to say I want a on. Okay, I put in my directions. Let's see what it looks like. I don't have a clock. I should have used a clock to see how long it takes to generate it. Oh my God, did you see that? Beautiful. Oh, this is very nice. Better than I thought it was going to look. Okay, but this is what you can do with a chat box AI. Now, the reason I chose this because I have a video I'm going to show you for the presentation that correlates and goes with this whole scarf idea. Okay, thank you.